Hello, today I'm going to show you where to find the OBD2 slot and how to delete some failure codes on a Renault Clio 3. Let's have a seat at the driver's side. In the center console, you can see a cover under it, underneath the center console. There is a cover. We are going to remove this cover by using our thumb. Let's try it. Right, and push it out. Job's done. Oh, we pulled it up. Now you can see this is the OBD2 port, which we are going to dock in our dongle. Maybe you have a wired dongle, no problem, it's the same style. Then, in this case, I have a Bluetooth dongle and an ignition on, of course, and this Bluetooth dongle is connected to my professional OBD2 scanner system. Now we can go to failure searching and the EOBD, and now we are going to search Renault as brand. If you have a wired OBD2 scanner, the wired OBD2 scanner will check some solutions to get into this OBD2 device system, and in this case we have to put in the vehicle identification number. If you have a wide small scanner, it is not necessary to do this. Now we can have an automatic scan, and now all OBD2 informations will be read by the scanner, and then the scanner will show us the fault codes. Here you can see it's an injection fault code. But it's no problem. We can read now what is the injection fault code calls. And there's a number. This number you can look in the internet and give you some information. In this case, the scanner will give us some information about the DF091 memory code. If you fix the problem, then you can remove or erase all failure codes by using the delete DTCs. Now all failure codes are gone, and if you fix the problem first, then the failure codes will not come back. Job's done. Push escape or go to your main menu, and this is important, remove the dongle. Because if you forget the dongle there, there's a problem for you next if you are going to check another car. So remove the dongle and get back the cover in position. That it is how to read and delete failure codes on your Renault Clio 3. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.